month is the spring season of Allah's mercy. Mercy pours down in abundance, and divine light descends. Sinners are granted salvation from the fire of hell. To welcome it, to long for it, to count the days in anticipation, to repeatedly count the moments and hours, to frequently speak of the month of fasting, is proof of love for this blessed month. And loving this month is in reality loving Allah. Therefore, to welcome this month, to prepare for it, to cleanse your home, to instill eagerness in the hearts of your children, and to create its atmosphere in advance, so that the moment this month appears, the spirit of fasting has already taken root. The habit of reciting the Holy Quran is already formed, and the practice of voluntary prayers and good deeds is established. This preparation begins in Shaban, so that when Ramadan arrives, we are fully ready and active to gather the blessings of this month. The beloved of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when the month of Ramadan arrives, all 8 gates of paradise are opened. Among the 8 gates of paradise, one is named Baab ur-Rayan, reserved exclusively to honor those who fast. The fasting believers will enter paradise through this gate. Sayyidina Salman al-Farsi radiyallahu anhu narrates, before Ramadan, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered this sermon: O people, Allah has cast upon you a month that is pure, radiant, and exalted in rank. Within it lies a night better than 1,000 months. Fasting during its days has been made obligatory, and standing in prayer during its nights has been made voluntary. A voluntary act equals a compulsory one in reward in this month, and a single obligatory act earns the reward of 70 obligations. This is the month that teaches patience. Despite having food, one refrains from eating. Cool, sweet drinks are available. The tongue feels parched. The throat runs dry. Yet even then one refuses to let a single sip pass the throat. Thus it cultivates patience. And listen, the reward of patience is paradise. This is the month of compassion, the month of mutual love, the month of sharing affection, the month of tenderness, the month of empathy for one another. Hunger and thirst awaken empathy. Whoever provides food for a fasting person to break their fast, this act becomes a means of forgiveness and freedom from the fire of hell. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, Allah grants this reward even to the one who offers a sip of milk, a single date, or even a sip of water for iftar. This is the month whose first 10 days are mercy, the middle 10 days are forgiveness, and the last 10 days bring freedom from hellfire. Increase 4 actions abundantly in this month. Bear witness that there is no God but Allah. Engage in abundant istighfar. Ask Allah for paradise and seek refuge from hellfire. These are the deeds you need most. Perform them abundantly in this blessed month.